Ever tried learning to code and felt like your brain just filed a do not disturb notice? Yeah, me too, but today I went on a little treasure hunt and found two platforms that actually make coding kind of fun. Stick around because by the end you'll know if Codefinity or CodeDex deserves your precious brain cells. First up, Codefinity. This platform is basically like having a personal coding coach in your pocket. They've got courses in Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, even SQL. Beginners, don't panic. The lessons are bite-sized, interactive, and even gamified. You earn XP and badges as you go, which is secretly super satisfying. And trust me, seeing your progress bar fill up is more motivating than coffee on a Monday morning. The courses are clear, step by step, and they actually give you certificates, which is great if you want proof if you're leveling up your skills. Then we have Codex. Think of it as Codefinity's slightly cooler, community-focused cousin. Here you don't just learn, you build. Minigames, websites, even projects that feel like real-world experience, plus the community vibe is insane. Forums, Discord groups, you can collab, ask questions, and basically geek out with people who actually get you. Learners say it's a perfect mix of fun and practical. I personally tried one of their project tutorials. It's so hands-on that by the end you've got something legit to show off. So which one should you pick? If you want structured, gamified lessons and certificates, Codefinity is solid. But if you're craving real projects, community support, and a little creativity, Codex might steal your heart. Either way, both platforms make coding less scary and honestly a little addictively fun. Now go level up because your future self called and they're rooting for you. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.